You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to send high quality, non-compressed photos on Facebook Messenger. First, open a chat with the person you want to send photos to. Tap the plus icon next to the text box to open the media menu. Do not tap the photo gallery icon immediately. Instead, look for and select the photos option, which opens your full gallery. Find and select the photo or photos you want to send in high quality. After selecting them, before you send, look for a small settings or gear icon, usually in the top right corner of the preview screen. Tap this settings icon. A menu will appear. Look for an option labeled Upload in HD or Send in High Quality. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Tap to turn this switch on. It may be blue when active. Now tap Send. The photo will now be sent at a much higher resolution, up to 4000, with significantly less compression. Please note that both you and the recipient need a strong internet connection for the larger file to send and receive properly. Also, this setting is sometimes per chat or may need to be enabled for each batch of photos you send. For more simple messaging tips and tutorials, subscribe to the channel.